Well, some meaningful and competitive research is coming together at MSUM this morning, thanks to two different research grants. Some bio dreams are taking flight. Valley News team Steve Poitras joins us live this morning from Moorhead. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning, Mick. We're with a couple of the mainstays here in the biochemistry, biotechnology department with Joe Provost, the chair, and Mark Wallert. I got Mark. Mark, you've been around since 1990, and you've been conducting a lot of research. Tell us briefly about this latest project relating to cancer that you guys are working on.
Okay, the project that Joe and I work on with our students is we look at the progression of tumors, the migration of cancer cells out of tumors, and the effect that stress hormones have on them. Specifically, we're looking at how a drug that was previously used for hypertension can impede the progression of cancer and hopefully stop metastasis.
Wow. Joe, you're the one who set this all up, and it's been a real education for us, and you have quite a lot of crew on hand here. I think we need to talk to some of them a little bit.
Yeah, absolutely. They're the stars. They're the ones who do all the work. It's really a great chance for us to open up our labs and give all these opportunities to both college students and even high school students.
All right, so let's at least meet briefly some of the... It's Margaret Zimmerman, right?
Yep.
Now, you're from St. Cloud?
Yes.
I can assume you're a chemistry or biochemistry major?
Yes.
Okay, Margaret Zimmerman. It's Danny or Danielle.
Yep. Either one.
And you're an undergraduate here, but from Ottertail, Minnesota.
Yep.
Your younger sister next here,
Yep.
DC, right?
Yep, Daisy.
And you both science interests, I suppose?
Yep, definitely.
Okay. Up here, this is Jenny. Where are you from, Jenny?
Forest Lake, Minnesota.
Forest Lake, over the kind of north of the Twin Cities.
North of the
all right,
cities,
and
yeah.
majoring in chemistry here?
Yep, biochemistry and biotechnology.
And next to him is the, he's going to be the starting quarterback for the Dragons this year, and also biochemistry, Craig Kutz, or Kutz from Sheboygan, Wisconsin.
Sheboygan, Wisconsin, yep.
And you're working on what kind of project here?
I'm working on the same sort of stuff, working with stress hormones.
All right, well, good luck here in the lab and as well as on the football field.
Thanks.
And this is, again, let me remember, oh yeah, Maggie Dugan.
Yep.
You're out of Fargo South. What year in school are you?
I'm ninth grader.
Okay, oh, is it really? And
Yeah.
you're going to be, you're seriously interested in science?
Mm-hmm.
All right. And finally, it's Christina Provost. You connection with Mr. Joe Provost over here? And you're going to Fargo South?
Yep.
And following your dad's footsteps in science?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Well, that's some of the crew, high school kids and undergraduates here at Minnesota State University Moorhead. Just a little glimpse of a whole lot of this important research going on here. Thanks again to Dr. Maz or Andrew Murray, Dr. Joe Provost, Dr. Mark Wallert, Chris Chastain. I think that enumerates everybody. Thanks a lot for everybody getting up early here this morning. So from the new Science Building on the campus of MSUM in Moorhead, for my photographer, Wade Iverson, and for the Valley Today, I'm Steve Poitras.
Thanks, Steve. Nice shirt.
Hey, did you spend a lot of time in the lab when you were at MSU?
No, but right next door, Weld Hall. That used to be the theater building. I spent quite a bit of time over there.
Good to know. All right, thanks, Steve.
I didn't know MSUM had a provost.
They do.
They do
Two
now.
of them.
So is that, I wonder if he gets like the Reuben guy in the Subway commercials. We don't have to talk about it.
I think that's a stretch.
Okay.